guys, this is Rachel from Rachel's Math Corner, and I just wanted to create a video for you guys showing you how to make your own custom watermark or kind of preview page cover, so that way you guys can be a little bit more efficient in making your teacher pay teachers documents and not have to worry about writing preview over all your documents every time. So the way we're going to do this, we're going to actually create a picture. So we're going to do this through PowerPoint. So you need to get PowerPoint up. I've already readjusted my document to an 8.5 by 11 size, but if you don't know how to do that, you just hit Design, go to Slide Size, and Custom. So I actually have made two of these. I make one for vertical documents, and I've made one for horizontal, but we're just going to do it for vertical documents today. So it's very, very simple. All I'm going to do is insert a text box right here and just input preview in the middle. So I'm going to go all caps, preview, go down a little bit, preview, down a little bit more, and preview. So I might want to make this bigger, the font to actually cover some things because that's the whole goal. Maybe change the font, change the size. That might be too far apart. So kind of whatever you want. I might change this to a gray just because I want it to be a little bit lighter so it's not in everyone's faces. Whatever you need to do to kind of make this your preview. So make it a little bit bigger and that should be good. So I'm going to drag this down to the middle. That's the nice thing about Word or your PowerPoint. It shows you when you're in the exact middle. And then I'm going to tilt it a little bit because I like my preview to be tilted across, right? So it's kind of in the bulk of all your stuff. You can still see the title. You can still see everything through here that'll be behind it. And then one last thing that I like to add, I always put my logo in the bottom. So I already have a picture made for that, but you could also just create a picture of your own or type in your name right here. So I'm going to insert that. So I insert picture. I already have a logo. So I'm going to go down to that. Logo right here. So Rachel's Math Corner. And I'm just going to put that down here, maybe shrink it a little bit. I don't want to be too big in everybody's face. But enough so that it's like, okay, this is the preview and this is my Teachers Pay Teachers, trying to throw my name out there wherever I can. So once I have this super simple, I'm going to save it as a PowerPoint and then save it as a JPEG. So I'm going to hit Save As. And then wherever you want to save it, I've already actually saved this as a watermark example, so you can put that in there. And you could even add vertical. So you might have two different ones used for your horizontal documents, one used for your vertical. So make sure you label which one. So I'm going to save that. And now the next thing we need to do is save this as a picture. So I always save an original in case I want to go back and edit. And so to do that, I just hit Save As. Again, pick wherever you want to save it in. I've already got it in the place that I want. And I go down to JPEG. So that's going to make this a picture. So I hit Save, just this one slide, and then I have saved it. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is open up the document I want to lay this over. So this is whatever item you've created. So I've just recently created this word puzzle activity where kids solve equations and then it's a cute little questions that they have to fill in. So I want to make my preview. All I have to do is insert the picture that I just made from PowerPoint. So I go down to Watermark and I have vertical so you can actually see my horizontal one is there. So Watermark for vertical. So I insert that, and now this is where things get crazy. If you look, it's pushed everything to the side and it's over all my documents. I can't see through it. Now this is the cool thing. Make sure that you are highlighting your picture and you want to make sure you wrap in front of text. So that's going to adjust everything back so it's literally sitting in front of the document. Now, Word has this amazing feature that I don't think a lot of people know about, and this makes a lot of stuff possible to make your own documents. I'm going to click on my picture, and then over here there's color. And if you look down at the bottom, it has set transparent color. So you can make something transparent on a picture. You just have to click it. So I hit that and it changes my cursor to this little like magic wand. And I just click on the white space and it gets rid of the white space. So now the picture's still there, the word's still there because it was all in a different color, but the white is now gone. So I can just copy that, hit Control C, and I go over here and I can just lay it over the other document, and now I'm done. So I always like to save two. I'll save this as a preview as a Word document. So I'll hit for preview, save, and then I'll save it as my PDF. I never like uploading a Word document for a preview because people could still get into it and edit it. So you always want to do PDFs. Okay, and now I'm done. So I have this document. If I go here, here's my preview, open that up. This is what people are going to see when they open my document. So I hope that was useful for you guys, a way to kind of make your life a little bit more efficient when it comes to creating your documents. That's what we want, efficiency in everything, so you can create more. So make sure to check out for other videos about how to help your teachers pay teachers and some of the technology behind it, and I hope you guys find this useful. Thanks.